A Fortune 500 company in the United States was using off-the-shelf software to run their day-to-day business. As they grew, their solutions started underperforming and failed to meet the unique needs of the organization. Now, this could be your organization's story too. In the fast-paced business world, these generic solutions we use create a lot of overhead in terms of time and money. Don't let this technical debt stall your business growth. It's time to get rid of the one-size-fits-all approach and build custom solutions that drive your digital transformation. When we talk about building custom applications, we need to rethink the process involved. Yes, traditional application development can get you there, but at what cost? Organizations are seeking to reduce delivery time, improve resource utilization, and increase productivity by implementing new technologies. And a technology that ticks all these boxes is low-code. Like the name suggests, low-code requires drastically fewer lines of code to produce the same result as a traditional programming language. It helps us to design custom workflows on an already abstracted layer without even thinking about the underlying complexity. While we understand the concept of low-code, one question stands out. Does it deliver value to our business? Low-code offers an intuitive interface to bring solutions to market faster than the competition. It can deploy hundreds of secure and scalable enterprise-grade applications on a platform. And it tightens governance, eliminates shadow IT, and makes changing apps painless with its built-in data schema. Low-code lowers the barriers created by traditional development and bridges the gap between IT and business teams. Now, developers can spend less time on repetitive work and focus more on solving specific business problems. While many organizations are stuck on where to begin their transformation efforts, we can help. Sign up for a low-code platform today and add value to your business in terms of growth, customer experience, and revenue.